Hi folks, this is question 14. The first part is multiple choice, so you've got a chance. So by just guessing, so multiply x by 3 and then subtract 2. So you're looking for an x with a 3 beside it and then 2 subtracted. So that has to be this one. So it's going to be 3x minus 2. Double x just means, double means to multiply it by 2. And that's all that's happening here, so it's going to be 2x. And then add 2 to x and then multiply the result by 3. So if I was to add 2 to x first and then multiply it all by 3, I'd have to put the x plus 2 into brackets. So that's going to be the last one. So that's 3 and x plus 2 in brackets. B then is multiplying out double brackets. There's different ways of doing this. You might have saw these types of arrows before. Or you might have been, one way you can do it is to split up, is to write down the second bracket twice, so 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3 like that, and split up the first bracket into the 3x and the minus 2, and then multiply things out. So 3x times 2x is 6x squared, 3x times minus 3 is minus 9x, minus 2 times 2x is minus 4x, and minus 2 times minus 3 is plus 6. And then minus 9x minus 4x in the middle is minus 13x. Plus 6 is still there, and the 6x squared is still there, and that's the final answer. Another way you might have done it is to do it with this grid. So you're putting one bracket down the side, so the 3x and the minus 2, and the other bracket across the top, the 2x and the minus 3. So 3x times 2x is 6x squared. 3x times minus 3 is minus 9x. Minus 2 times 2x is minus 4x. And minus 2 times minus 3 is positive 6. And you're just taking the four things in the grid. 6x squared minus 9x minus 4x plus 6, and write them out like that, and then the 2 in the middle again you can combine, which gives us minus 13x. So either way you do it, and then there's probably other ways as well. You should get that answer. This part then, I'm going to put an x in here anyway. It's a quadratic, so the way to factorize it is you're finding two numbers that multiply to give minus 15 but add to give positive 2. So it has to be plus 5 is already given to you. They give you one of them. The other one has to be minus 3. So my factors are 1 times 15 and 3 times 5. So it has to be one of those. So it definitely has to be a 5. And then if you double check it, 5 times minus 3 is equal to minus 15. 5 take away 3 is equal to positive 2. So that checks out. So that's the answer. And that's it then. That's all for that whole exam paper.